HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Let's make a spaceship today. Make a half circle and 5 slanting lines. Join these lines with 2 curvy lines below. Wasn't that easy? Now let's make legs for the spaceship. This is fun, isn't it? Let's make buttons. Our spaceship is ready. Now let's color it. Let's color the lines we made green, red, yellow, and pink. Now color the half circle we made with sky blue. Almost there. Let's color the curvy lines with dark blue. Color the legs of the spaceship orange. There you go! Our spaceship is ready. Let's go for a fun adventure into space! Hi kids! Let's begin drawing our cute little cow. Begin with an oval shape for her face. Now a curvy line and 2 eyes. Yes, that was easy. Draw the pupils and color them in. Now draw curvy lines for her spots, eyebrows and her horns. And leaf shapes for her ears. Finish drawing the face with a nose and a cute little smile. Let's draw her body starting with her front legs and then her back legs. Now draw the hooves. This looks awesome! Let's finish off with some spots. Draw a cute buzzing bee who is our cow's best friend. Let's begin with the outlining. Here comes the fun part. Let's color her in. Let's use a lovely bright yellow for her face. Oh wow! She already looks amazing! Now let's color her body. Don't forget to stay within the lines. Coloring is so much fun. Let's add some orange to her ears. And to the rest of her face too. Isn't this the cutest cow ever? With a light orange color, fill in the spot. Yes, just like that. And some brown for her hooves. Lastly, a light blue color for her horns. And we're done! Here it is, kids, our very own cute little cow. Hey kids, today we're gonna draw a cell phone. First I'm gonna draw the face of the phone, just like that. Now let's draw the inside face. Where all the cute icons go. Are you having fun yet? Let's draw these lines neatly with our black marker. Yay! Now it's time to color this in. I'm gonna use a bright orange color here. We can use a beautiful sky blue color for the outer part of the phone. This already looks great. Let's add some green, red, and yellow to the buttons. And here we go, our very own colorful cell phone.